Now, if you want to write the blog post in the Copilot, I can go in the Edge browser directly, go to the corner, and from here you can generate the blog post as well. If you want to get rid of all the earlier information that you searched, just click on this refresh button and you have completely new screen. Now here I have two options. One is chat, one is compose. Compose, we have already seen that. In the chat, we can generate page summaries, we can generate some suggestions, and you can just copy and paste all the relevant information or commands here. But we can also do this in the compose area as well. So if we go to the compose area, we can see that in the format, we also have the option to generate the blog post. So for example, I want to write a blog post on keto diet, let's say. Or what we can do is you can write a blog post on World Cup 2024. So because it is connected in real time from the internet, it will generate the accurate information of whatever is on the internet. So I'll select professional here, click on the blog post, and I want to select the length as medium, and let's generate the draft. So you can see that it is live and connected to the internet. So that's the power of Copilot, and still we are using the free version and not the pro version. So you can see how the results are shown. Now, if we see this, and if you feel that it's too professional, it should be converted to informational or a casual tone, I can just convert it and generate the draft. So whatever is suitable for you, you can just try the tones, try the formats accordingly, and it will generate the accurate results for you. So if we scroll down, you can see a recap of the ICC Men's World Cup 2024. It has given you the complete information. The final clash between India and South Africa was nothing but a short cricketing masterpiece and held at Oval Bridgetown. And India, led by their captain, won the toss and chose to bat first. You can see all the information is provided in real time for the latest World Cup of 2024. So that's pretty nice, guys. And after that, you have some suggestions here that you can select, and you can click on add to site. Now, if you have your website open in the background, then it will just directly copy and paste this in your website blog post. Now, what we can also do, if you want to generate a detailed blog post, you can write something like this. Let's say I want to create a blog post on diabetes in the world we live today, and we want to write over 500 words. It should be divided in 4 sections as well. So I want it to be professional, and since it is divided in 4 sections, it should be a long post. So let's select long here. Let's select blog post. It should be professional, and let's generate the draft. So guys, you can see that how effectively it has written this blog post. It has given the heading, that is understanding diabetes in the today's world, introduction. So it says in 21st century, we are facing the health challenges. Most significant ones is diabetes, the global impact, living with diabetes, and conclusion. So I'm not going into much details and read all of this. You can just try it according to your scenarios. Just write it and analyze how it generates the wording and all details. You can just directly add it to site, just copy it and paste it anywhere you want, or you can regenerate the results whenever you want. So guys, this is how you can generate some effective blog post in Microsoft Copilot free version. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.